How to use Amazon influencer program. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. First of all, it is different from Amazon Associates account, and Amazon influencer would be different. Just simply search for it and you would get it, but it is quite different and quite difficult in order to get onto the influencers as compared to Associates program. For this, you would require your customer account of Amazon. You would also require your affiliate account or the associate account of Amazon in order to get onto this platform of Amazon influencers. After you sign up, you would have to connect with your customer account, and you would also have to connect your social media where you have most of your influence at. So simply sign up or connect your social media, and after that you would get accepted on the basis of your influence on different social media platforms. You can connect any one of your social media platform, and this way you would be able to utilize it. You would be given a storefront where you can list all your customized products, and people would be able to go there and purchase from there, and they will be personalized URL for your products, and you would be able to convert at a better rate, and you would be able to earn a better conversion rate or competitive conversion rates. So this is how it will be different, and you can utilize it this way. So you would have to just sign up. So this is how you would be able to utilize or use Amazon influencers account. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.